Hi, here are the 6 wonders of the Bimsheet. 1. You can extract and link model data directly to your existing calculations. 2. You can visualize and check the end result using your existing Excel calculations, which you already know how to use. 3. You can save the Bimsheet calculations with the model data back to Excel for further processing. 4. You can even reuse the Bimsheet calculations with the model updates or in the other projects. The data is updated and filled in automatically. 5. Unlike in the other OpenBim tools, you can import the data from the Excel to the model and then use it in Simplebim or export it to IFC. 6. Bimsheet is part of Simplebim, which allows you to standardize and enrich models so that they always fit for your purpose and thus for your calculations. Thank you for watching. See you next time.